Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved Master, Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Bhagavata Vahini, Chapter 9. The Ascent of Krishna. Summary. After his uncle's departure, Yudhishthira was looking and feeling increasingly despondent and listless. This worried his brothers, who asked him the reason for his sadness. Yudhishthira replied with multiple perspectives, his own body signs and weaknesses in mind and spirit, the general deterioration of moral standards in the kingdom, including thievery, promiscuity, as well as dark signs in nature, even amongst birds and plants. While Bhima laughed it off as a figment of his imagination, Yudhishthira concluded that these unprecedented signs seemed to indicate to him that Krishna himself has left his body. After initial disbelief, each of the Pandavas felt their own heart pangs and instinctively knew that this was true. Key takeaways from this chapter. A change of yuga, that is a period, is accompanied not by just one single sign, but a number of changes happening simultaneously. These together communicate a mega phenomenon of lasting change and not a temporary event. Paying close attention to things other than just our own thoughts and emotions will help us recognize these signs and improve our own awareness, or constant integrated awareness, as Swami calls it. Though Yudhishthira was quite disturbed by his own thoughts and emotions, he retained his full judgmental faculties through his ability to observe his own thoughts and feelings and use discrimination and analysis of other facts and phenomena before reaching his conclusion. Let us similarly learn not just to react to situations but to respond to them objectively using judgment and discrimination. Our minds and hearts often speak different languages. When we are unaware of some information, good or bad, in the mind, very often our hearts already know it. If we tune in to listen carefully to our hearts, separate from our minds, we will always make the best decisions where our hearts show us the way and the mind find the best way to execute the instructions of the heart. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.